Hi sisters and brothers, let's get into the review of the software Discover. Okay, so you can see this is the dashboard, or maybe you cannot say this is a dashboard, maybe this is the front preview of this software. Okay, so after logging in on the software, you can see this type of gesture. So you can see on the upside there are all of these are upsells. Okay, and on this left side, these all are the tutorials. And this software, in a nutshell, this software is totally based on tutorial for online marketing. They will reveal you the owner, who is Florin and Prosper. They will reveal you how they have started their affiliate marketing, and how they are just doing huge or good money. Maybe I don't know exactly what they are incoming, what are they earning monthly. Okay, but these two guys are literally, this is the first product of this software, their first product of these vendors, these two vendors. Okay, so that's why I have decided to promote it, and I think as it is their first product, that's why I have faith on them. Okay, so this is a tutorial based course, and all of these are the tutorials. Okay, you can see this is the mastering the terms, and this is the procedure. Maybe this is a procedure, and on this video you will see, you can see this is 23 minutes video, and you will learn these stuffs. And after that, I think these softwares, and after that this is mastering, this is getting the tools. Okay, so you should promote your product, or you should use this kind of tools to be a good affiliate. What are the top affiliates are doing, they will taught you. Okay, basically this is a fundamental thing of this software. Okay, I think this software is totally made for newbie or new affiliate marketers. You should easily go through it, or you should easily buy it. I will recommend you highly if you are a new marketer. Otherwise, I don't recommend you. Okay, so I think this is not for advanced marketer. Okay, this tool is totally made for new marketers. Okay, so there you can see there are so many options, so many modules like launch jacking, and this is the setup. Okay, after that this is incentive, and the magnet, the email, the review, the ranking, the reception. Okay, so that was a detail, that was a little overview of this tool or this software. Okay, so now let me show you what kind of bonus I am giving you with this software. Why should you purchase it? If you want to purchase it, why should you buy it from me? Okay, so this is the bonus value. You can see there are $6,397 custom bonuses I am giving you with it. Okay, so this is a meme created by me, cause I want you to choose your product with a big smile. Okay, so, and on the crowded world there are 7.8 billion people, but no one is to make but people are so alone these days. That's why I always try to make love. I always want to people love. Okay, that's why I create memes. Okay, so you can see, you can just visit this page to get the software and the bonuses, and you will get the link of this page on the video description. Okay, so the top link or the bottom link or the middle link, you can click whatever link you want. Okay, so I have gone through the content, and these contents the contents are really valuable, and I am already using on most of the tricks of this content. Okay, so that's why I have given huge rate of this content. I am repeating that if you are a new affiliate, you should purchase it. Okay, so I never consider market hits on this overall section. That's why it has got 9.8 out of 10. Okay, so you can just go to the software by clicking this take action and some more buttons inside this review. Okay, and all the bonuses also. So these are the stuffs I have put here, I have mentioned here, the feature and facilities, key features, and still I have not found any con. And this is the pricing. This is the thing you should think about. Okay, this is the pricing. This is literally very cheap, because a large pizza costs more than this. Okay, So you can see I have mentioned everything here. What is this tool, why, how should you use this, and everything. I want you to come here and just go through this by yourself. Okay, so these are the testimonials. They are top marketers, they are giving they have given their testimonials. Okay, you can check them also. In my words, I strongly recommend this tool for only new affiliate marketers. Okay, so this tool is really huge, good. This tool is really good for new marketers. Newbies can blindly depend on this tool, on these tutorials. Okay, so this is a sales funnel. You can see, you can go through them by visiting this page, clicking the link given on the video. And this is the bonuses which I want to show you, which I am giving with the front-end product of this Discover software, and which costs only $12.95. Okay, so you can see these are the bonuses. I have put all of the images here. After putting 24 images, I have just chosen to make some different way. I have put images and also a little bit description about each softwares. And after 50 bonuses, let me show you. I am scrolling down. After 50 bonuses, I just choose another way, because I have so many bonuses. I am collecting this from so many days. I think no one can give you this kind of bonuses which I am giving you with this product. Okay, so after my principle is very simple. If someone is giving more than me with the software, you should go through them or go by them. If they are not, you should go with me. Okay, so this is the 2000 sorry, my English is not so good, my vocabulary is little bit lower, my first language is not English. Okay, so these are the 270 plus bonuses. I considered as it mega bonuses, because these days people have little reading span, mind span to read. Okay, and I was also getting tired. Okay, that's why I have choose this path. After 50 bonuses, I have just mentioned here as mega bonuses, 270 plus bonuses, which I am giving you with this software totally free. Once you have brought the front-end product only, which is only $12.95, it will be given to you. Okay, so that was a review, that was an overview of this product and the bonuses I am giving you. So I am signing out for the day. You can also check more reviews of another softwares. Okay, so I am signing out for the day. So bye bye.